Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to hide your number on your iPhone iOS device. This is iPhone 11. So how to block your number when you call someone, they cannot see your number at all. You go to settings. From settings, scroll down, go to phone. And then scroll down, go to show my caller ID, and please note you need to have a contract SIM card, pay monthly. In order to block your number, you need to have a monthly subscription with the network. Show my caller ID is enabled, so you need to disable it so that you block your own number. Now your phone number is disabled by the network, so I try to call. Let's see if it's showing or not.